Residential Building Saentis 3x3 by lilin Architekten in HORGEN, Switzerland. The residential neighborhood lies like a green island in the municipality of HORGEN between the main roads of Seestrasse and Einsiedlerstrasse. The plot, whose terrain slopes diagonally on two sides, offers an unobstructed view of Lake Zurich and the Saentis to the north, while the neighborhood access road is located on the hillside to the south. To do justice to the premise of optimal utilization and the small-scale appearance of the neighborhood, the building is divided into 3 cubes with staggered height levels. In the tradition of a hotel particulier, access to the building is via a head-end structure with a vehicle lift to the underground car park. An external staircase leads to the prestigious cour d'entrée. On the north side, the building with its different terrace levels is enthroned above the distal weg and presents itself with a discreet noblesse. This expression is emphasized by a white, finely detailed facade cladding of surrounding bands and ascending reveals. Dense planting provides the right amount of privacy and neighborly interaction.